Hello, Jokin. First of all, I want to apologize for the poor internet connection from yesterday's class. Um, we're going to figure that out and fix that problem. Um, so this video might be a little bit different, so that we can go over some of the mistakes that we didn't have time to look at. Um, okay, so focusing on grammar. If we are looking at comparative and superlative. Um, we have a short adjective like big. You are correct. Bigger and biggest. If it is a long adjective like beautiful, you are correct. More beautiful, the most beautiful. But to make that the opposite, you could say less beautiful and the least beautiful. Now, if you are comparing, don't forget the word than instead of that. So the burger is healthier than the pizza. The burger is healthier than the pizza. Okay, some small grammar mistakes, especially with the word the. So you said, my favorite fruit is the apple and the pear. But in English, you would say, my favorite fruit are apples and pears. Okay, you would use the plural. You wouldn't say the apple, the pear. That would be one example, like one apple on a table. All right, I want the apple on the table instead of the apple in the fridge. It's very specific. Pasta is uncountable. So you said you really like spaghettis, but in English you would drop the S. I really like spaghetti. Um, okay, I asked you if there could only be one food you could eat for the rest of your life, and you said maybe I would only eat the Italian food. And again, you don't need the for the Italian food. Maybe I would only eat Italian food. You said in the weekends I eat more fish. So, like our mistake from last week as well, at the weekends. At the weekend. You said when I was a child I ate more plates. Now, you're talking about platos. So, plate is the physical dish. Okay, el plato. You have your food on the plate. So, you should say when I was a child I ate more. That's enough. I ate more food. Um, because in English, a plato, you could say a dish. Okay, so we are going to have 3 dishes for dinner, for example. Okay, 3 courses is another word you can use. But if you say you ate a plate, you are literally eating like this. Okay, so um, okay, last one. You said maybe with my age we should learn to cook in school, but not with. We would use at. Maybe at my age we should learn to cook at school. Or you could say, even people my age should learn to cook at school would be the most normal thing to say. People my age should learn to cook at school. Okay, sorry for the long video, but I had to catch up on what we couldn't do at the end of class. I hope that's okay, and I will see you next time. All right, bye bye.